Hey guys, JT here with an unboxing of the VKAR SCTX10. I got this from Gearbest.com. The reason why this is already out the box is because I was filming it earlier doing an unboxing and I ran out of space, and that just, kind of sucked or whatever with that. But anywho, I got this from Gearbest.com, and this is going to be a four-wheel drive short course truck. So you guys know I've been getting a lot of short course trucks lately, kind of, I guess, getting that itch somewhat for it. And I'm starting to like them just a little bit more. You guys know I wasn't a big short course truck man, but after driving my Sentin, especially the Mega version, I've been liking it. I've been liking to actually go out and bash. When they flip over, they kind of flip themselves back over, so I kind of like that as well. But anyway, looking at this truck, the body and the paint scheme of it looks pretty good. They didn't overdo it or anything like that. So by that I mean they didn't put about 20 million stickers on it and try to paint it 20 million different colors for it, which on some cars it may be fine and stuff, but I think the way they did this is set up pretty good. So this design is kind of just like the VKAR Bison as well, except for it's the width of it, or the width of it is not going to be as long. The A-arms aren't as long as that, and of course tires and wheels going to be a little bit different. Of course, they're going to gear it differently. And then for you guys over here in the States, you know that this is somewhat like the Helion version, or it's just like it. Helion just kind of rebranded it here. So this is going to be like the 410, I believe it's the 410 SC, although it has a different system and stuff set up inside of it. So it does come with, and like I said, I apologize, I ran out of space, so you guys missed the whole smell-o-vision. The smell of a new RC car. You guys know I love that. So, but anyway, it does come with a 2.4 gigahertz radio. You guys see there, it's got its standard trims and stuff on there as well. And this is 3-channel, because I believe this little button right here is going to be for the 3rd channel. So I may try to hook something up for that and play around with this. But I haven't had any issues or problems with this radio. I ran in the Bison and it was fine. I'm pretty sure it'll be just as fine in here. It feels nice in the hand, and everything is fine with it as well. The car or truck also comes with an instruction manual. You guys see this here. It gives you just 3 Allen keys down there, but at least they give you an instruction manual, and you can see a parts listing on here too. Now this does come with a Lipo, and it's a 3S Lipo, which we'll get to in just a second, but it does come with a wall charger for it. But you guys see here, unless it's somewhere in the box where I didn't see it, it doesn't have the American adapter on here. So this is for kind of a European plug. So if you don't have that adapter, and I'm not sure where you can find it, you may be able to find one at Fry's or something, you will have to try to purchase one separately, or just use another charger, get another charger for it. But it does come with one, but I wish they would include that in here in case this is someone's very first car. They don't want to have to go out and buy a charger for it, although you can buy some of these wall chargers like this that charge at about 8 to 1 amps for, I don't know, just a couple of bucks. And it does come also with a binding plug as well. You guys missed all this when I was unboxing, and I was popping the little bubbles that this came in too. So I hate that I ran out of space with that one. But anyway, it does come with the binding plug with this, and I'm kind of curious if this would bind up with some of my other receivers as well, and some of the Fly Sky radios. So that has yet to be seen. So anyway, looking at the truck, the suspension setup seems to be pretty good. I may have to check the oil in the shocks to see how much oil is in there, but we'll go ahead and we'll get this body off. Now this does come, or it does come with a cover. The cover actually fits over here, which is good, helps keep some of that stuff out the inside of the car. So I'm glad that they come with this. But one thing I'm really glad about is that these cars do come with the Lipo. You guys see that there's the Lipo there, and this is a 3S, I believe 25C 3500 milliamp. Yeah, 25C 3500 milliamp Lipo, and it's a heavy Lipo. It's not like some of the other ones where they're actually really light and thin. They feel like there's nothing in there. But and this is the same thing that came with the Bison as well. So this Lipo is actually pretty good. So I'm going to charge this up and give a couple of first test runs on this. This car does come with, as you see there, get this turned over real quick, a 3300 kV motor. I'm not sure of the gearing on here. I'm pretty sure they geared it higher than they did the Bison, but I'll check that out and see. And I believe this is either a 60 or 80 amp speed control. I have to double check on that. I'll update you guys on my first run thoughts. And the servo might be one of those 6 kilogram servos. So now this ESC and stuff is water resistant, which means if you get water on it, it's not going to short out. But you guys see there that the receiver is kind of exposed, but it does have, get this to zoom in just a little bit, a third channel in there. So it is a 3-channel radio, which is good, because most cars that come ready to run aren't 3 channels. Only a couple of companies that actually do that. So looking at the car, it does come with threaded aluminum body shocks, front and rear. Yeah, I'm gonna have to check that shock oil. I don't think there's any oil in there at all. Doesn't even sound like it, but it does also come with aluminum shock towers. You guys see there. I love that blue. Kind of reminds me of how I have stuff set up on my Stampede 4x4. So it does come with that. It does come with a couple other aluminum parts you guys can see there as well. Now, the drive shafts, they are plastic, so this looks kind of like the Traxxas ones, but I haven't heard of anyone breaking these either. So that shouldn't be too much of a problem with that. And most of these parts are going to be compatible with the Helion version as well. So you guys see that it does have aluminum in there as well. Some of the steering links are, and adjustable turnbuckles and stuff on there. So one thing I'll have to do, I've seen that this doesn't include, that the Bison did, is it's got that aluminum plate. So I'll have to order one of those, because that's going to give this a little bit more stability. Is that white stuff? Stability with this truck. So I won't be running it too hard until I get that plate put on there, because I know some people have had some issues with it. And then if rocks and stuff get caught up in there and hit this, it could get it jammed up. So it's not a necessity for this, but I would recommend getting that aluminum plate for it. So I'll find a link to it and also put that in the description as well. So like I said, I've seen videos of this run, and it's been quick. I mean, it comes with a 3S Lipo, so it's about 50 plus miles per hour out the box. So I will be getting this up and running very, 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 very soon. I'll do some initial test runs. I'll do some off-road runs as well. And then I have to get back to my super speed. Past Saturdays, I've just been kind of busy with a lot of things coming up. But I will get back to kind of doing that and doing some better speed runs and stuff, so you guys can see how fast these things are out the box. So as always, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Put your comments down below if you have one, or some links to some videos that you may have up on, because I'd love to see them. So as always, thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more videos.